nuée, vite, nuée.
Alright, so here's what we're doing. We're putting the skateboard on. This is it's called a Quebec skateboard. And basically what we'll do is we're going to put this in between the honey supers and the brood boxes below. The bees will easily find their way out through the skateboard, but not so easily find their way back in. So I'll put this on, and hopefully by tomorrow, this time, all the bees will be out of our two honey boxes at the top here, and we'll be able to take those home and not have to worry about cleaning up the bees. Woo! Bees are a little feisty today. I don't think they're liking me bugging them right now.